let's stay tuned. No, sorry. We're gonna ask. No, sorry. Hi guys, welcome back to Anastasia, and today's segment is Make Chocolate Special. So, what is that one delicacy जो हम लोग के mood को हमेशा अच्छा कर देता है? You know, answer to all our crisis. I hope you're thinking about chocolates, obviously, and we are going to try and make some recipes and some very different hatke recipes chocolates ke saath, and we'll see how the results are. I hope they are good. Okay, so stay tuned. Let's get into it. With our first recipe, something with chocolate and musambi. So let's go. So first, we are going to start with our chopped up dark chocolate, and we're going to add this in this bowl. Now that we've added our chocolate, we are going to add fresh cream. Now mix, mix, mix. One quick tip: if you think that fresh cream का consistency थोड़ा ज़्यादा thick है आपके लिए, so you can always add a little bit of milk, तो वो dilute हो जाएगा and उतना thick नहीं है. So now we are going to heat this and melt the whole thing and see how it turns out. So now that we have melted our chocolate and it's hot, we are going to add our musambi juice into it. We are going to keep this in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, and let's see what the results are. Now that we have refrigerated the chocolate, we're going to roll them up in balls and we're going to decorate our plate. Now we're going to drizzle some caramel onto our chocolate balls. Now we're going to taste and see how our whole recipe turned out. Wow. That's decadent. That's amazing. You guys should really try this out. Now we are going to go ahead and start with our next recipe, which is made out of dark chocolate and healthy seeds. So basically we are going to make a biscuit. So let's jump right ahead with it. Now we are going to mix our chocolate with our healthy seeds. Now for the decorating part, we're going to plate our biscuits here on this plate, white ceramic plate. I've chosen this plate because this is like a perfect plate to have your snacks on. And this is a section plate, so I can put any kind of spreads, chocolate sauce that I need with the biscuit and enjoy our snacks. So let's go ahead with it. Now for the final part, we're going to place our parchment paper on the plate and go ahead with the recipe. So last part is our topping, and we are going to top this with our healthy seeds. Of course, you can put any kind of topping you want, maybe chocolate chips, maybe dry fruits, anything that you prefer. So we're going to go ahead and put our healthy seeds on top of this. So now that everything is done, we are going to refrigerate this and we're going to wait for the amazing outcome. Let's go. So now that the recipe is ready, we are going to do a taste test and see how we did. The healthy seeds give it a balance because the dark chocolate is a little bitter, but it tastes amazing together. I think you guys should really try it, and also let us know if you try how it works. So now we're going to go ahead and start with our chip and chocolate recipe, which is a little quirky, but we're going to go ahead with it and see how it works out. We are going to place the parchment paper on this tray, and then we're going to dip our chips into the chocolate sauce and keep it here. Now we are going to add some pearls on our chips that we have dipped in the chocolate, and it's going to make it look really good. These pearls are actually edible pearls. These are really sweet pearls. So let's see how that looks. Yeah. Now that the decoration is done, we're going to set it aside for some time and let the chocolate sit so that we can enjoy it later. Now that our chips are ready, I'm serving this in a ceramic tray which has this holder and it's really useful for serving like small snacks in the evening or any kind of snacks that you have. So yeah, this is the chips that we have prepared. I'm going to taste this and let's see how we did. It's a little sweet, salty, chocolatey. It's a very good combination. You won't expect it to be that good, but it's really good. You should try it. Whew, what a day. I mean, we tried so many combinations of chocolate. The Mosambi chocolate was amazing, and the healthy seeds chocolate was healthy as well as tasty. And let's also mention the chips with chocolate. I know a lot of people will be like, "Ye kya hai?" But I know it's amazing. Okay, you should try it. So I would always suggest that you guys go ahead and try your own blend of recipes with chocolate, of course, because that makes it delicious. And let us know in the comments below. Just don't forget to experiment.